Steve, Marty at J-Mat. Miracles still happen. Here it is, the Bullet. Finally got it here, $269. We ain't been in the shop yet. There's a nice crawl-through storage, 2 entry doors, power awning, outdoor speakers, 2 chairs in the back, super slide, sofa make a bed, a lot of counter space, deep basin sink, gas and electric refrigerator. I got it so close I couldn't get the dadgum slide, but there you go. There's a Jack and Jill bathroom, queen bed up there, pleated shades, whole 9 yards. I just wanted to shoot it, quick video, just to let you know. I got it, brother. Bullet $269. Talk to you soon, Steve. Bye-bye.